Craig, you couldn't have asked for a better start to that game this evening.
Yeah, no, couldn't have. The last 2 or 3 games we haven't started great, and we've give silly opportunities away. You know, teams haven't scored against us, but we give silly opportunity away in the first five minutes of our last 2 or 3 games. So to start that way tonight was really important, and obviously we knew it was going to be a tough game. It always is at Bala. You know, they've got good players, and you know Colin's very experienced, and so they make it tough for us. So it was really good to get a lead as quick as what we did.
Cole, it was never going to be easy tonight against the league leaders, but disappointed he conceded within 15 seconds?
Yeah, totally disappointed, I thought. You know, the way we started the game, like I say, 11 seconds I think it was, but absolutely disastrous. But I thought we were outstanding in the game, absolutely outstanding. I thought we matched them all the way until the second goal. Whether the second goal was a cross or shot, I'm not too sure. But I thought we competed really, really well. I thought we were outstanding. I thought our fitness levels were good. I thought we stopped them being as good as that they can be, and the way they have been over the last few weeks. And I thought credit to the players, absolute put a shift in. If you look at it, Aaron Edwards has played centre back, first time in his career. Callum Roberts, a lad on loan from Wrexham's, had to go in as a right back instead of a right winger on loan from Wrexham. Ross White's normally a full back, played at the back, and then Kieran Smith, Kieran Lloyd's played left back. So we've had a makeshift back four, but you know we've been like that most of the season. But I can't fault the players, but we can't start a game like that, especially against TNS.
Leo, sa chi'n methu gofyn am dechreuad gwell heno ac chdi dyn yn Seintiau Newydd o fewn bedydd ag eiliad?
Ie, efo'r safle di chwarae wan, mae bach yn uwch fyny'r cae, so o'n i jyst yn trio be bynnag i fod yn y bocs, i fod yn y safle i gael y gol. Dwi'n teimlo yn y gema dwytha, dwi wedi bod yn y safleoedd iawn, ond di'r pêl jyst disgyn i fi, ond nath hwnna'n disgyn yn neis.
You know, Bala contained you for a bit then, but then there was a cracking goal by Jordan Williams to secure the 3 points.
Yeah, it was. It was a great finish. Yeah, it was. You know, it's a great touch. You know, a great feel to bend it in the far corner from where he was. So yeah, you know, George's probably a bit more well known for his power, you know, and his strength, and you know, he strikes a lovely ball, but he showed a bit of finesse and a bit of touch there, and it's a deft touch and a fantastic finish.
A mestyn y mantais wan ar brig i 10 pwynt ar i pwyso wan ar pen y bont ar yr ofal prawn fan ni.
Ie, yn un o'n dwi'n gobeithio wneud yr cofis wneud un dros nhw fori i ni, ond na. Fel mae'r oge gen i siarad, sam rhaid i ni sbio neb arall, rhaid i ni jyst canolbwyntio ar bob gêm sgynna ni siŵr da ni'n ennill bob gêm, a ni siŵr da ni'n curo'r gyngred eto.
Tensions now turn to the cup final next week against Aberystwyth, and a chance of the first silverware of the season.
It is. We've been in that cup final 2 or 3 years in a row now, and it's always nice. You know, and we certainly won't be taking things lightly. You know, I'll get an opportunity to travel down to watch Aberystwyth tomorrow and play in Newtown. So yeah, it's a good opportunity to see them play.